So this is a job seeking post for my fellow Jamaicans that's reaching out to me. So if you're a healthcare worker and you're based in the US, once you know of any jobs, whether it be a living job, housekeeping job, in no matter which state you're there, because I have a whole ton load of people reach out to me about work. Right? From I make the whole CNA post, or I've been making some posts about CNA jobs and stuff like that, there's a whole heap of people who reach out to me. Right? So what I want you guys to do is please just to post it in the comments. If you know of an agency, if you have a number, if you have an email address, something that people can just read through the comments and see how best they can help another fellow Jamaican or another Caribbean person. Mean a whole heap of people are reach out to me. Whole heap. Right? And I'm only based in one state. I'm in Connecticut. So if you're there Maryland, you're there Philadelphia, you're there Jersey, wherever you're there, you might know somebody, you might know an agency, anything you want to know, just any job whatsoever you want to know, whether it's a babysitting job, baby nurse, whatever the case may be, just post it in the comments and make us see if we can help another person.